seguimos en el Reino Unido 50 años después. Allí está en esta fotografía el primer ministro Boris Johnson. Allí un conflicto político que está siendo objeto el primer ministro, pero no solamente él y su gobierno, también parte de la oposición. La ciudadanía está pidiendo una renuncia generalizada. Tiene que ver con la violación a las restricciones por la pandemia ocurridas en la residencia del primer ministro. Hubo disculpas, pero según los analistas, esto no alcanza.
Mr. Speaker, with your permission, I would like to make a statement. And first, I want to express my deepest gratitude to Sue Gray and all the people who have contributed to this report, which I have placed in the library of this House and which the government has published in full today for everyone to read. I will address its findings in this statement, but firstly, I want to say sorry. And I'm sorry for the things we simply didn't get right, and also sorry for the way that this matter has been handled. And it's no use saying that this or that was within the rules, and it's no use saying that people were working hard. This pandemic was hard for everyone. We asked people across this country to make the most extraordinary sacrifices, not to meet loved ones, not to visit relatives before they died. And I understand the anger that people feel. But, Mr. Speaker, it isn't enough to say sorry. This is a moment when we must look at ourselves in the mirror and we must learn.
The COVID regulations impose significant restrictions on the freedoms of members of the public. They had a right to expect their Prime Minister to have read the rules, to understand the meaning of the rules, and indeed those around him to have done so too, and to set an example in following those rules. What the Gray report does show is that number 10 Downing Street was not observing the regulations they had imposed on members of the public.
By routinely breaking the rules he set, the Prime Minister took us all for fools. He held people sacrificing contempt. He showed himself unfit for office. His desperate denials since he was exposed have only made matters worse. But, Prime Minister, the British public aren't fools. They never believed a word of it. They think the Prime Minister should do the decent thing and resign. Of course he won't, because he is a man without shame.
Well, they can laugh, but the public know. The public know this is a man they can no longer trust. He has been investigated by the police. He misled the House. He must now resign.
Y así están las cosas en el Reino Unido. Seguiremos, por supuesto, con más detalles y más testimonios, y en este caso las disculpas del propio primer ministro Boris Johnson, que en principio no estarían alcanzando. Punto final para esta primera edición 2022 de la televisión pública Noticias Internacional. En 7 días, el próximo sábado, 12:30, volveremos a estar con este equipo periodístico para contarle lo que pasa en el mundo. Que la pasen muy bien.
Vamos a hablar de cosas más y avanzar en otros terrenos, porque el contexto es muy favorable para vincularnos más en la relación argentina.
Після підготовки інструкторами безпосередньо навчальних центрів, операторів мов, вони отримують дані
my order, the United States military forces successfully moved a major terrorist threat to the world. Global leader